Here is why you are failing with AI. You are treating it like a magic 8-ball. You ask a vague question and you hope for a magical answer. But AI is not a search engine. And it is not a god. It is a stochastic parrot. It is a mathematical engine designed to predict the next most likely word. And do you know what the most likely word is? The average word. If you give average prompts, the AI is mathematically forced to give you average results. The difference between a millionaire using AI and a broke guy using AI is not the tool, it is the command. Today, I am going to teach you natural language programming. We are going to stop asking and start coding in English. You need to understand the psychology of the machine. AI is a literal genie. It will give you exactly what you asked for, but not what you wanted. If you say, write me a blog post about fitness, the genie looks at its database of billions of blog posts, finds the average fitness blog, which is boring trash, and gives you that. It obeyed you, and that's why you failed. You cannot speak to AI like a human. Humans rely on context and nuance. AI relies on instructions and constraints. To win, you must stop being a user and start being a prompt engineer. And no, that doesn't mean learning to type. It means learning the C.O.D.E framework. I developed a protocol called C.O.D.E. If you use this, you will never get a bad output again. C is context, the persona. AI is a blank slate, you must tell it who it is. Don't say write an email. Say, you are a senior copywriter for Apple. You write with punchy short sentences. You hate jargon. Suddenly, the AI accesses a specific cluster of its neural network. It ignores the average data and locks onto the expert data. O is objective, the mission. Be hyper-specific about the outcome. Don't say, help me with marketing. Say, your goal is to persuade a cold lead to click this specific link by triggering their fear of missing out. FOMO. Give the soldier a mission, not a suggestion. D is data, the examples. This is the secret sauce. In computer science, this is called few-shot prompting. If you want the AI to sound like you cannot just describe your voice. You must show it. The AI is a pattern-matching machine. If you say, write a funny tweet, it will write a dad joke. But if you say, here are 3 examples of tweets that went viral. Analyze the humor, the structure, and the rhythm. Now write 5 new ones following this pattern. The AI stops guessing and starts cloning. This is how you produce content that passes the Turing test. Inga's execution, the steps. If you ask AI to solve a complex problem instantly, it will often hallucinate. Why? Because it tries to predict the answer without doing the math. You need to force it to think. Add this magic phrase to every complex prompt. Take a deep breath and think about this step by step. Instead of, build a marketing plan. Say, Step 1, research the target audience. Step 2, list their top 3 pain points. Step 3, write headlines for those pain points. When you break the chain, you reduce the error rate by 80%. Don't let the intern guess the plan. Give the intern the checklist. Let's see this in action. Lazy Larry types, write a cover letter for a job at Google. The AI spits out, to whom it may concern, I am a hard worker. Result, trash. Larry stays unemployed. Lethal Luke types the C.O.D.E protocol. Context, you are a ruthless headhunter for Google. Objective, write a cover letter that grabs attention in the first 3 seconds. No fluff. Data. Here is my resume and here is the job description. Map my skills to their needs. Execution. Think step by step. Draft 3 variations. 1 aggressive, 1 professional, 1 creative. The AI spits out a masterpiece. Luke gets the interview. Same tool, different command, different life. You are either the programmer or the programmed. I want to know who is in charge. Go to the comments and type, I am the commander. Tell the algorithm, you are the one pulling the strings. Now, you have the power. You can create value out of thin air. But value is useless unless you have a vehicle to sell it. You need to apply this skill to a business model that pays you in US dollars. I broke down the 4 best AI business models, like drop servicing, in this video right here. Take your new superpower. Go make money. See you there.